Vishnu IAS. You all know that the Group 1 notification is out and the prelims is scheduled to be in July or August. It's tentative dates, but they are scheduled to be in July or August. As a part of this, there are two sections, Prelims and Mains. Prelims consist of 150 questions which you have to write in 2.5 hours. And remember, there is no negative and which will be a bonus to all of us. Vishnu IAS is running an intense program for Group 1, and as a part of it, we are also conducting a test series for both Prelims and Mains. I will be explaining to you what Prelims test series consists of as a part of Vishnu IAS. Let us look into it. We have 13 topics in Prelims, and as a part of it, we will be conducting 22 sectional papers and 13 full-length papers. We will be conducting an entire elaborative test series for you so that you will be ready for prelims. Let us look at our test schedule. Our test will start from 6th June and end on 15th July. Let's look at our detailed schedule. On 6th July, we will be conducting Indian Constitution and Polity. There are two sections conducting of 50 questions. Since we have very short time, we will be conducting these exams before July. You will have time to prepare for the rest of the mains. Let's look at what Indian Constitution portion consists of. It consists of evolution of Indian Constitution, your fundamental rights, your fundamental duties, your DPSPs, your federal structure, your parliamentary procedures, so on. For these, the reference notes entail your newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazines, and your Lakshmi Kant, which is your Bible, and Vishnu IAS classroom materials. On 8th of June, we will be conducting Economic and Social Development of India tests. Again, there will be two tests for you. These tests include your national income, your policies, your Niti Aayog, your planning and policies, your poverty alleviation, and so on. For this, your reference notes are your newspapers, your Vishnu IAS monthly magazines, and this unique book called Sanjeev Verma and Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 10th, again, we will be conducting two tests on history and cultural heritage of India. History and cultural heritage of India consists of your IBC, your Gupta heritage, your Mauryan heritage, your Mughal Empire, your Harsha Empire, and your modern India. For this, your sources entail newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazines, MAK Publications Abdul Karim book, your Vishnu IAS classroom material. And in your cultural heritage, we will come across many other subjects like temple architecture, your temple architecture, your sculptures, your Gandhara art, your Madura art, your Amaravati art, and temple architectures like Vesara, Dravida, Rekha, and temples like Chola temples, so on. This will also include your paintings, your sculptures, your dance forms, and your singing forms. On 13th June, we will be conducting two tests on governance and public policy in India. Governance and public policy in India entails your structures, your government structures like your UPSC, your SPSC, and legal institutional structures like Safai Karmacharis, so on and so forth. And this will also include your public policies on several sectors like your social sector, poverty alleviation programs, women development programs, NGOs, pressure groups, and so on. For this, your sources entail newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazines, Vishnu IAS classroom materials. On 15th June, we will be tackling World Geography, Indian Geography, and Geography of Telangana State. Mind, in this particular syllabus, your Telangana State Geography will also be included. Your geography includes your climatology, your oceanography, your minerals and resources, and Telangana State's crops, irrigation, its monsoon patterns, its industries, so on. For this, your sources include newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazines, McGraw-Hill Publications Majid Hussain, Telugu Academy, Telangana Regional Geography, and Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 17th June, we will be conducting two papers on Society, Culture, Heritage, Arts and Literature of Telangana. Society includes your vulnerable system, so on and so forth. And here, the literature of and art and literature of Telangana also plays a very important role. Your Golconda systems, your Azafjahi art and architecture, your Jogini system, your Devadasi system, all these entail this paper. For this, you have to study from newspapers, PNR publication Telangana History and Culture, Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 20th June, we will be handling the 2 papers on environmental issues, disaster management, prevention and mitigation strategies. In environmental issues, you will come across many topics like your air pollution, your international organizations like UNFCCC and international and Indian conventions like your Vienna Protocol, Montreal Protocol, so on and so forth. For this, the sources include newspaper, Vishnu IAS monthly magazine, PMF IAS book, Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 22nd June, we will be handling 2 papers on General Science, India's Achievements in Science and Technology. This paper includes a lot of topics, biotechnology, your nanotechnology and basic science like what is a DNA, what is a cell, so on and so forth. This includes the achievements of famous people like let's just say C.V. Raman and many other contributions done by our Indians in maths, science, technology and so many things. For this, our sources entail newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazine, Vishnu IAS classroom material. Our next topic is on 24th June. On 24th June, we will be tackling 2 papers on policies and Telangana state. For this, the policies may be regarding anything, your social policies, your industrial policies, your pharma policies, so many and so forth. You can also, let's just say our Raitu Bandhu scheme, our Mission Kakatiya scheme, our TPAS scheme and so on. For this, our sources entail our newspaper, Vishnu IAS monthly magazine, Socio-Economic Outlook of Telangana and Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 27th June, we will be handling our current affairs, both regional, national and international. For this, our sources entail our newspapers, Vishnu IAS monthly magazine, Vishnu IAS classroom material. On 29th, logical reasoning, analytical ability and data interpretation. Most of us think that this topic is very easy, but let me tell you, this topic also requires a certain amount of hard work from our end. Only then we will be able to clear our exam. So please ensure that you also attend these papers. For this, our sources entail S. Chand, R.S. Agarwal, Vishnu IAS classroom material. Again, on 1st July, from 1st July, we will be handling all the full length tests. All the tests that we have been covered till now will be concised into a full length test. That will be from 1st July to our 15th July. For most of us, there is a doubt that if Telangana movement is included in our prelim syllabus or not. Why take a risk? We will also prepare our Telangana movement in our syllabus. We will also add such questions in our prelims test series just to ensure that you will be prepared for the actual exam. Hope you are all well prepared for this Group 1 exam. For full length description of our syllabus, look into our description box, and for the material available, call on the number given below. Thank you.